Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today we are doing rider presentation time. So today we have Jonny Walker. So let's go!
So this is what we picked up when I was in the UK the other day, because AS3 is a company in the UK and they have sent 3 boxes now that are still stuck in customs in Madrid. So this is what I went to collect. We've also got the water pump cover, just the same again, just because it's billet. It's just that little bit stronger and you need that for extreme. The disc guard, because this is a must-have on the bike. And the reason we've got so much is because we're just going to put it on each bike. I've got 4 bikes at the moment, so we'll have 1 spare. These are just basically the same as standard, but they're just from AS3. They've got the logo on it. And then this is this engine. I just did a few hours on it the other week, so this will be the spare engine for Lagares. Hopefully I don't go swimming this year, so we won't need it. But we've got a brand new engine in now, which I'll ride this week, and I'll probably put a few hours on that one, maybe 5 or 6 hours just before the race, so then I'm feeling good on it.
Defo rode up this before, but it looked big when I got to it there. It just looked
You
right.
just ride at the side, do you?
Yeah. I think it's grippy that it looks as well.
It's horrible.
I just thought it was dead slippy.
At least that's not slippy.
How was it?
Hard work. Oh my god, my hands are killing me.
Oh, Franco's careful on that exhaust.
So this bike here is going to be a spare race bike. Hopefully we're not going to need it, but we're building it up for the race. So because I don't really know, I've never been to a race on my own with everything, so we're trying to just plan everything that we need. So we've got a race bike, a spare race bike, and then we're going to take like a follow bike, so probably 3 bikes, maybe even 4 if we need to. I don't really know because I've not done a race on my own before, so it's obviously a first time. So we're just building this up. We've just put the engine in, Max just put a new subframe on and stuff like that. It hasn't actually been rode, this bike. It was for the Super Enduro Championship that got cancelled, so today we're just turning it into an extreme bike with the suspension and stuff like that. I'm building the wheels, Mark's going to put the handlebars on and stuff like that. So that is it. So Mark actually built these wheels the other day, and I'm just finishing them off now while he does, I think he's got the handlebars and stuff like that to go on. But these are just, I'm just putting these on. These are the Galfa discs like we always run, and these have been used once or twice, these discs. I always try and keep on top of the discs and pads because it's so important. It's so important to have good discs and pads, because it is like, you've obviously got your engine to go fast and you need something to stop you, and if your brakes are shit and spongy and stuff like that, then it's not, you know, it's not ideal when you're racing. So we always try and keep on top of the disc, pads and fluid, always putting new fluid in, because once you boil them, then we always put fresh oil in.
Thank you very much guys for watching this video to the end. Also, by the way, to support Johnny on social media, you can find the links in description. So if you also want to support this channel, you can sub to it. Thank you very much. Bye. Boom.